Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your task on Chamet. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chamet application. Now click on your profile in the bottom right corner. And here you can see My Tasks option. Tap on it. And here you can see a list of tasks to do. Every time you complete a task, you'll get a reward. So this is the page where you can check your task on Chamet application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.